In front of me is Vivo Y97, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit one-handed. Now use this switcher next to access mini screen using gesture to switch it on. Select OK in the pop-up and follow this instruction to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, mine was successfully enabled. If you want to manage it, click on this icon of a square with an arrow at the top left or right corner, hold one of those dots and drag your screen. If you want to go back to the standard size one, click on this X, also at the top right or left corner. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!